Okay, I have a question. I bought a blackhead remover. It's a portable microabrasion device by Kaiser. And where I used it on my face on one side, it looks like somebody's taken their fingers and just scratched me.
Oh, wow.
Underneath my eye where I used it. Looks like somebody popped me, and the tip of my nose looks like Rudolph. And this I did the day before yesterday. I took pictures yesterday, and it's still red. It still looks horrible, like I've been in a cat fight.
Oh, wow. And so what's your question exactly?
I tried to call the manufacturer,
Okay.
and the number does not work. You can't. It's just somebody answers and hang up. Is this normal for someone using something like this for you to just bruise your skin?
That's a great question. Callie, how would you answer that?
Well, the first thing I'd tell you to do is if you still have that product box, look at that product, look at the warnings, look at the directions, and if there is no warning about it or nothing on that box that tells you that this is potentially an issue, then that is something that you definitely want to contact the manufacturer about it. And I know you said that you've tried to do that with the manufacturer, but you can also look online. If you can't reach the manufacturer directly, look online, look on their website, and I will tell you that I have seen these devices because they're pretty common right now. I think a lot of women are trying to figure out ways to do at-home spa treatments, and I have seen these injuries. So, hopefully it was not a manufacturing defect that caused yours to malfunction or have some issue like that. But you might see, and if the product is still working as it's supposed to, then I think you probably have more of an issue where you did not feel satisfied with the instructions or the warnings that you received beforehand. But if the product actually broke or something went awry while you were using it that landed you with those injuries, then that would be more of a defect in the product itself.
And Ken, you had a question.
I know we're up against a break. But I do think it's important for anybody out there who does have a defective product, a potentially defective product. All right, I know that you probably won't save your box, so that's understandable, and you won't save all the stuff that comes with it a lot of times. That's understandable. But whatever you do, don't throw away the product, okay? If something happens, don't leave it outside. If you've got for example, like a lawnmower that's defective or something like that, you got to store this stuff, because if you don't, and the product is substantially changed from what it was originally when it hurt you, then it's going to be tough in court. So I'm just imploring everybody out there that if something does happen, protect that product and make sure that it gets, for example, with a lawyer quickly so that they can take it and store it for you.
That's great. That's great advice. Great advice.